Up at the top, it's yellow. You can see
Mm-hmm.
the new part
Yeah.
two that takes you to it. And the first one is creating some sort of pixel art. Okay.
Okay.
Kind of like the checkerboard you did.
Yep.
Okay. Um, it can be abstract art. It can
Mm-hmm.
be some, because the checkerboard is repeat, right? It's black, white. So you have to
Mm-hmm.
kind of be thinking about um, the different types of coding you're going to be doing. So I want to see a for loop in there somewhere.
Okay.
I want to see an if statement in there. And the if statement could be an if else, either one, because
Yeah.
they're kind of related. A while statement. And of
Mm-hmm.
course, you have to use Ultra Carl because that's where the color comes in.
Yep.
And one thing that everyone is forgetting is comments. Okay.
Yep.
So
Okay.
instead of creating the video like we did last time that explained it, your
Mm-hmm.
comments have to be good enough to do the explaining this time.
Yeah.
Okay. So in some of the assignments towards the end, you were seeing preconditions and post conditions. I want to see
Mm-hmm.
those. Okay. And while you're doing,
Okay.
think about top-down design, and that's breaking it down into smaller parts. One thing I do not want to see is move forward one, put a color, move forward one, put a color, move forward one, put a
Yeah.
color, and you got 800 lines of code. Okay. That's why we use these things up here, right?
Yeah.
Breaking it down into parts. So you might have to do some thinking about what you want to make. I don't care if it's, like I said, I don't care if it's abstract or you find something that is interesting and you can figure out however you want to do it. Don't care. Okay. I basically want you to make a picture. Um,
Mm-hmm.
using streets and avenues and directions appropriately. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure
Okay.
your right turns in there and all those other good things. Don't give me three move lefts or, turn
Yeah.
left to go right. Um, here's an idea. You could make a world where you have some walls, and when you run into a wall, that's when you change a color. That could
Mm-hmm.
possibly work. You could do a world that, think about this. If you got 3 or 4 different shades of gray, you could make a picture in grayscale. And then when you get to light color gray, it turns green. If you get to medium
Yep.
gray, so you see what I'm getting, you're coloring your world.
Indeed.
Okay. So you could, I don't want to call it cheating, but you can make the world help you in your coding to create whatever image it is you want.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Uh,
Okay.
the other thing we want to do is we're going to be using the sandbox to create this project. And have you been to the sandbox yet? There's this thing called Sandbox Quick Start.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to click on that. And then it takes us into a sandbox, and a sandbox is basically just a dashboard with no work on it. It's a blank document. You can create 100 sandbox documents. You could create one. It doesn't matter. So if you're like, you want to try an idea, try it and maybe save that as idea number one. And then you're like, oh, you know what? I want to do something else, but I don't want to delete it all. Just make a new sandbox. Okay. You can have
Mm-hmm.
as many documents as you want. So you're going to go to Python Ultra Carl. So we need to select
Yep.
that one. And then if we scroll down, alrighty, maybe my screen's too big. There we are. There's the create program.
Hold on. Okay, sorry.
You good?
Yeah, I was talking to my dad.
Okay. So we create the program and you can see there's nothing in here. So this is where if you wanted to use a world to help you, you could click on the add edit world and we can edit it or we can create a new one. And this is what we're going to be using in the second assignment. But
Mhm.
you can change your grid size. You can change where Carl starts. You can do all sorts of different things. You can add balls. You can add color. So like this is, like I said, if you wanted to do, a shade of gray, and when
Yeah.
something runs into it, it changes color. That's fine. Don't care. Okay.
Mhm.
So you can do that all in there, and then you just save it, give it a name that makes sense, obviously. We go back to our worlds. We go back to the program. And then there you can see it shows up. Okay.
Mhm. Okay.
So in the sandbox, you would do all your coding. You would save it, obviously. You still have the documents for reference. You still have your
Yep.
history and stuff there. You can still run it. And then when you're all done, you're going to share your sandbox link with me. And that's just as simple as clicking on the share button. The only thing is you want to make sure you choose the second one here, which shows code. So I get the
Mhm.
code and I get the program to run. Copy that.
Mhm.
You go back to the assignment and you should be able to paste it in down at the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah, you can paste that. I'm not a student, so that's why I don't see it. But you should paste it in. So that's the sandbox where it's at. And then
Mhm.
I put an image or a sample up here of the American flag project that someone did in the past. And you can
Mhm.
see they got, the in the range, and then they, obviously I took all the code away so people didn't copy it, but they had while loops in there and if then. And in the end, you can see when you play the video, it's nothing fancy other than Carl eventually
Mhm.
eventually it happens. Don't know why it's not happening, but it does.
Mhm.
Down at the bottom, this is how your score is going to be broken up. So basically your code works. If it works and it does what it's supposed to do, 100 points.
Yep.
Image complexity, if you just give me a square, obviously that's not very hard. So,
Mhm.
and it doesn't have to be, like a real advanced image. It needs to be, did you use multiple shapes? Did you have color? It's not just one
Mhm.
square. Um, was your code efficient, organized? Documentation is the comments. And then creativity, this is 100 points. That's almost a freebie. There isn't too
Mhm.
much there. And then it shows you how to share after that. Okay. So
Okay.
that is project one.